Okay, so in this video we are going to study about the find method. Find method is used to find a string or a single character in a string. So let's say I'm having a string variable string equal to hello world, welcome back. So this string is having hello all, welcome back, and now I want to find out any character or any string inside this particular string. So first of all I will take one more variable y, which is going to save the value. So y is equal to string dot find. Okay, so fine, yeah. So inside this I'm going to mention the letter here. For example, I want to find the e inside this particular string, so it will show you the index number, and as you can see there are three e's, right? So if I'm going to use this string dot find function, it will tell you the first e means the index number of first e, right? So let's print this y, because y is having the return value of this function. So let's run this. So 1, the index start from 0, so 0 is for h and e is at the index number 1. So if I write the string, for example world, I want to find out the world, run this again, so it's at the index number 6. So as you can see, I have entered the whole string, right? World is a string, so it will count it as 1 when you are going to enter the whole word. So as you can see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6, the space is also counted here. Okay, so in case if I am going to enter some letter which is not inside this, as you can see L is there, but I'm asking for the capital L, so which is not there, so it will return you value -1. -1 means there is no such value find inside the string. Okay. Okay, so let's say if I want to find out e again, but I am not mm, going to ask for the first e, I want to know other e, right? For that you can use other parameters, which means if first parameter is going to tell you about the actual string, the second will tell you from where you need to start, right? For example, I write here 14. 14 is the index number from where the system will start searching, and it should end at 20, right? There is some problem. Yeah. Okay, so let's run this again. Okay, so as you can see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So from here it started searching, and as you can see we were looking for e, and e is at the 40th index, so it returned 14. Not, it didn't start from 0. As we mentioned here, it should start from 14 and it should end at 20th, right? Okay, so this is how you can find a particular string or a letter inside a string. This can be used to find out any password, right? So if a particular character is inside the password or not, you can find out by using the string dot find method. Okay.